Actually, question lang. What is your reaction on, because there are musicians, we're not gonna name drop, but there are musicians who would comment now what happened with the format of Sunday Pinasaya, what happened to noontime shows, what happened to Sunday noontime musical shows. Parang nawawala na daw because of what Sunday Pinasaya is introducing to the people. What's your reaction on that?
I don't wanna take sides, or I don't wanna say anything. But kasi since ako din naman po, mainstay din ako ng show. Syempre parang nakakamiss din na may mga musical performances. And then ayun nga po, yung Sunday variety show na yung Sunday Pinasaya. Ano din po siya, parang it's a comedy variety show kasi. So may mga skits and parang ano naman po siya, talagang alam mo yun, talagang it's meant to make everyone's Sundays really full of laughter and parang alam mo yun, yung parang makakalimutan mo lahat ng problema mo every Sunday kasi nanonood ka ng Sunday Pinasaya. May part din kasi like ako na nagkakaroon ako ng mga production numbers, so I get to do my own thing, music, something. Yun, nakakamiss din po. Kasi syempre, may mga nakasama din po ako na yung ibang singers, like sila French, sila Ate Isis, sila Sam Maniguez. Ayun, I don't know.
But do you feel naman like your talent is maximized by the show? Or was it maximized better before at the previous format?
I don't want to compare.
Okay.
I don't want to compare. Basta ang importante po. Like if I feel that way, then I must do something about it. Na parang I love the show. I respect the show. Na ano po yung gusto nang ibigay sa akin, ginagawa ko po. And syempre, gusto ko naman na yung ginagawa ko din sa Sunday Pinasaya. But at the same time, I also want to maximize din in another platform, like let's say yun nga, YouTube or cover songs, gano'n. So, kumbaga, para hindi rin ako limited or hindi lang ako stuck sa isa. Gusto ko marami talaga akong ginagawa. Especially kapag nagdi-deal ako with music. Because, it's really what I love.